It's tech time. What's up, everybody? Finally got my hands on the Airpods 2. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So let's open this bad boy up. Got the handy dandy utility knife right here. See how good of a job it does. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fresh wrappers in. All right, let's dive into it. Okay, I already got the classic tips and tricks stuff. You know, my girlfriend has had a pair for the past few months, and I've been meaning to get some, but I have the Beats 3, Power Beats 3s, which I'm going to actually do a little comparison on this video. So I haven't really, I wanted a pair of AirPods, but I haven't really, got to them. So I'm like, because the way that they're designed, they fit, like at work, they fit better in my ear than the Power Beats 3 do. And you guys can see right here, I broke off the part that go over your ear, but I mean, they still work well, but we'll do that, get to that a little bit later. So let's go, I'm going to get this set up and see you in a little bit. All right, so I got them paired to my Pixel 3 XL. How many of y'all didn't know you can pair your AirPods to Android? I don't think a lot of you thought you couldn't, but I'm pretty sure some people out there didn't know that they can pair AirPods with Android phones. I know I didn't at first. I thought this is only an Apple thing, but anyway, let's test these out. All right, that's, you know what, and this is actually a nice little case, little floss case. I like it. Compared to, I actually have a pair of knockoffs. I think it's by TWS or something like that, i7. I don't have them with me right now. Otherwise, I'll add them into this comparison. But the case for that, I mean, you get what you pay for. These are $150 versus that was like $25, $30. So you get what you pay for, but this case just feels premium. And, that's what I do like about Apple products. Apple products are premium. All right, let's play some music. Okay. Turn it up about right there, Sound quality is really good. Beat about to drop. Woo! That's some good stuff. It just sounds so rich, and the bass, wow. You know what? These, and they fit so good. They're so small. These things are amazing. Get a pair of AirPods. Get a pair of AirPods. I was gonna go get those Power Beats Pros, but man, $250 is pushing. I'm like, I might as well go buy a pair of AirPods. And you know what? I'm actually really happy with this choice so far. And even my girlfriend, she loves the AirPods. She swore by them. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try them out. I'm gonna go ahead and get them. But before we end this video, we got the Power Beats 3s right here. And you can see, the ear thing part is broken off. Let's go ahead and launch these bad boys. I want to see, which one sounds a little bit better. So first I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to disconnect the AirPods. All right, let's go ahead and power up these. Sorry if you hear any background noise, it's the dogs. Can't never seem to get them to be quiet. All right. Okay, you know what? This is actually a really tough one because I like the way that these AirPods fit in my ear, and the sound quality. This is really really tough because, as a matter of fact, you can get these Power Beats threes for about I think $120 right now. So that's a good buy versus 159 plus tax for the and plus tax too for the Power Beats obviously, but 159 plus tax for the AirPods too. Um, this is a really tough decision. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to have one in each ear and see which one sound better. So hold on for that. Okay, so I got the Power Beats 3 in the left ear, and I got the AirPod in the right ear. So I'm gonna switch them after we do this first test. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. All right. All right. This is really tough. I didn't think it was gonna be this tough because they both sound really good, and I just can't choose between which one sound. They both sound really good. All right, so I'm gonna switch the ear. I'm gonna switch the switch the ears. All right. AirPods. All right, so I think I concluded this test. They both sound really good. You cannot go wrong with either one. I think the AirPods are a little bit louder though. I think the AirPods, but these sound really good. Like it sounds. I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain because I'm not like an audiophile or I'm not a audio engineer, but these sound like they sound smooth. Like the AirPods, they sound smooth as well. It's just very loud, but I do like the way these fit in my ear. Um, so I, I guess I'm gonna have to get us a draw. You can't go wrong with either. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Peace.